I'm into main. Let me see what we are having in this file. So let me write something in this file. So this is simple text file. Okay. So this is something I can write this line number one. This is line number two. Okay. Two. So I have written something in file one.txt where this file is present. So I need to copy the path. So as per syntax, we should use open method, open function. We should provide here your path. So path is this is the path, and I want to open this file. I want to open this file one.txt. Just now I have written something in this file. So I'll open in read mode. F object. Mm, mm, just a second. Here already have created file content. Like f dot read, and then we can print that file content. So this f is nothing but file handler. We call f. We can also write like fh. Okay, short form file handler. So once we have created this file handler object, okay, we can use this read function, because if I want to see what are the things available for this file fh, we can write like help on fh. So this print, want as so I'm getting one error here. This error I already got yesterday. What I did in order to resolve it, do you guys remember? This is same error. Now, if I am putting R, this will consider all the special character, not the special characters. Okay, it will be considered as a raw character. Otherwise, if you are not using R, it will consider that a special character. So now we got the help. See on FH what are the things available. Close is available, just now I've seen. Then read is available. Read line is available. Okay. Even seekable, tell is there, truncate is there, writable, write. So these all commands are available because we have created this file object. Now, if I want to read that file, so first of all, I need to open that file in read mode. and then I have to use this function. Okay, so cs, and then again. So this is something I have written to that file, correct? Now let me check why it is showing here. Okay, I should use backspace there. I have deleted a few new lines. It was also showing the new line. Now those lines are gone. This is the way to read file. Read any text file. Now, how to write any text file. So for write, I can use the same file want, or I'll this time I'll take some other file. So this file I will take. Okay, file 2.txt. Since it is empty, then we'll able to make out. So again, file handler, open. See, I forgot to close this. Okay, and that's why this is not recommended to use. fh.close. Again, I have to execute. While in case if you are using this syntax and you are opening the file, you need to close it. Now, what we can do, once you are using the syntax, either at the same time you can write this, and inside these two lines you can write your code. So fh open, what is the path of that file to? See, copy path. I want to open the file in write mode, W. So if I want to write, I can write like something. This is text file, or anything else you want to write, like fh dot, right? This is whatever. Now I have opened the file and I have closed also. In between, I have written right. Let me execute this. Before that, I need to put that R. Okay, so you are able to write it. So now I want to see whether the contents it has been written or not. Let me refresh this repo, this folder. I would need to refresh. Then I'll open this. So I'm able to write, but I was thinking that it will be written in a new line. So we need to write here slash n. Slash n is nothing but new line character. So now see, we are able to write in a proper way the same file that we wanted. Here, instead of passing this full path, what we can do, we can use current directory. See, current directory where I'm executing, this is the path. C uses Snehi desktop. So those things are already present here. C uses Snehi and desktop. I just need to mention here the 8th Jan. Let me go inside this folder 8th Jan. CD 8th Jan. Now, what will be my present directory? This is my present directory, correct? So no need to specify present directory. We can start writing from files, then files to file to .txt. Okay, so I can remove this. So see, again I am able to write. This time I have used less. Not this is not called absolute path. This is called absolute path. This is called relative path. Okay, because it is thinking that this path you have to append this one path. Now, as per definition of W mode, open an existing file for write operation. If the file already contains some data, then it will override. So let me try whether it is overriding or not. So I will write something in this file. Okay, manually I have to Control S. Then again I will execute this. Is it doing overwrite? Okay, refresh and file. Yeah, it override. Those things that I just now entered, it got deleted. On top of it, it has written some code in it. What do you think? It is desirable? While when you want to write something into a file, it should overwrite the content.
No, it should happen.
It should happen, correct. So what we can do, we can use something called A plus. Again, I'll execute. Okay, otherwise, we'll see the file first. So see, it has done that. If if I'm going to execute this, it will keep on appending. No, 6 lines we have got. Right. Let me try with some other modes also, like R plus. R plus, what as per definition, what is to read and write data into the file. The previous data will be overwritten. So I should not use it because it will override it. Just like W, it will override. Only advantage is that we'll be able to read the data. In W, there is no reading. It is only for writing. What about W plus? To write and read data, it will override. This will also override. And that's why we prefer mostly A plus, okay, in all operations. Otherwise, in few occasions, if you want to only read, we can use R. Now, I wanted to show you something. What happened? Considering this file 2, I have deleted. File 2, I have deleted. Yes. So now that file is gone. Let me try this. This time, no problem. I want to open it. A plus, most frequent, correct? They say. What will happen in A plus on the file? Yeah. Here, see, for R or W, open an existing file for read operation. For W also open an existing file for write operation. So let me use R in this case. R not W because I have written codes such a way. So here I have written this. Otherwise, the above example I can take. Okay. File 1, instead of file 1, file 2 will come since I have deleted file 2. And see what error I'm getting. Because we should be familiar with the errors in coding. As per definition of R, the file should be present, but now I have deleted. So we are getting file not found error. Okay, no such file or directory. This is expected. And now see what